Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I am letting you know about an update for the Twitomatic plugin, and this video is needed because the Twitter API changed a bit and I have to tell you guys some details about how you can make the Twitomatic plugin work again if you are new to it and you have a new app. So you just installed the Twitomatic plugin and you want to set it up now in 2022 or starting from now. So starting from now, as I mentioned, there were changes to the Twitter API and you will have to submit a form before they will allow you to access their resources with this plugin. So to make this work, you have to install the Twitomatic plugin and click here. This will lead you to the application section of Twitter. Here you will need to create an account and a similar user interface like this will pop up. Here you will have to add an app, and after you create an app you will see that you have only v2 access. You don't have v1.1 access, so this is not visible for you. So this is what you will need to get to make the plugin work for the moment. So the v1.1 access is what you are after, and this can be obtained by submitting this form. So this form will be linked in this video's description. You will see here that you will have to authenticate Twitter user accounts to your Twitter developer application upon submitting and approval. So fill in the form: company, country, state, city, handle from Twitter, app ID, the app ID from here that you get from the Twitter developer platform. Agree, first name, last name, job, email, phone, some details about your business, where your customer is based, some details about the product. So yeah, you will have to agree to all these and afterwards submit your form, and in about 5 working days they will approve this, and afterwards you will gain access to v1.1. and after this tag appears on your app, you will be able to use the app created in the Twitomatic plugin, and you will be able to import posts from Twitter and also post to Twitter afterwards. Okay, so yeah, this is all for today. Keep in mind, if you are new to the Twitomatic plugin, you will have to submit this form. It's linked in this video's description. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more similar videos, please subscribe, and until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.